Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today's video is going to be a Q&A about my car. When I release my video about sharing my car, a lot of you has commented a few questions, DM'd me on Instagram, and sent me Facebook messages in my Facebook page. You guys have a lot of questions about me getting my car and all that kind of stuff, so I decided to make this video today here in my car because it's about my car. So I am just actually here in my house, by the way, and it is currently 1:27 p.m. I am just parked here near the shade so that it's not gonna be so hot. Anyway, I'm gonna answer about 9 to 10 questions. I think this includes: why did I buy a car, who paid for my car, what's the cost of my car, why did I pay it cash, how did I save up for my car, did I pay more for my car than my house, what about child car seats, why did I choose Toyota, and what was my dream car. Last but not least, what is the name of my car. But before we begin, please do subscribe to my channel. Please help me reach 100,000 subscribers. It is for free. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button down below, and if you want to get notified whenever I upload a new video, click the bell notification as well. Without further ado, let's start. Well, it has been really my dream to have my own car. This dream started when I was a kid. When I was going to grade school, I could still remember vividly where we had to walk from our house here going to the school, and that's gonna be about 30 to 40 minutes walk every single day. And sometimes on the main road, we would want to try to hitch a ride and do like this, or like trying to stop a car if they could somehow give us a ride, but they don't. And from there, I was really trying to tell myself that I will study hard and trying to work and save up so that when I grow up, I will be able to have my own car. And another instance that actually hit me so hard, motivated me more to save up and really buy my own car. It happened recently where one time I went to my sister's house because I was attending a birthday party, and there was a storm, like the rain is really pouring so hard, and I needed to go back here in my house because I do have a deadline that I need to submit on that night. So we didn't have a choice. The rain is really not stopping, so we had to brave the storm. Me, my sister, my brother-in-law, and Scarlett had to drive from their house to here. It was about 10 to 15 minutes drive, I think, and yeah, we were all soaked and wet when we arrived here. And when I was looking at Scarlett, I was like, I was about to cry. Like, it really crushed my heart. And from there, I was really telling myself that I need to save up more and try to be frugal and stop spending anything that is unnecessary with my house, because I was still trying to finish my house at that time, and just really focus on what are the things that I need, and that's it. The money that I will be getting, I will just really put it in my savings for me to be able to have my own car. And yeah, that's where it started. Like, dreams would really start in the situations that would make you realize about life. Well, I think I have shared it to you guys in that video that I paid my car myself, me, myself, and I, no one else. But obviously, there are still sad people. I feel sorry for them, but I think they are pretty sad people that are saying that why is the secrecy about who paid for the car and stuff. Okay, just to put it out there, I paid the car myself. It's not my mom who paid, it's not my parents, my sister, whatsoever. I paid it myself. And there was one person that said that don't hide that your foreigner boyfriend paid for your car, and I was like, what? Like, what the fudge? I don't know why, but for developing countries like the Philippines, if you are in a relationship with a foreigner, people always has this perception that whatever you wear, whatever you own, whatever you carry, if you eat, whatsoever was bought or was paid by your foreigner boyfriend. Well, this has to stop, okay? Guys, let's not be so judgmental. Let's not jump into a conclusion that if there is a Filipina in a relationship with a foreigner, her, then that's it. She's just being with him for his money and all that kind of stuff. Okay, it's not always the case, alright? My foreigner boyfriend, which is Tom, he did not pay for my car, and I just want to put it out there. I don't really want to talk about this one because I don't know, it's just like really not a good topic, to be honest, but I just want to put it out there because there are really sad people out there that are like telling me that, you know, I wouldn't be able to achieve something like this without a foreigner boyfriend. Like, wow, what the fudge. But you know, I don't really care about what these people say, but I just really want to clear that all out. Well, in that video when I shared my car reveal to you guys, I think I have mentioned it to you that I would want to keep the cost of my car to myself, and I hope you guys will understand. And obviously not everyone understood me. There are still some people that would want to know what's the cost of my car. They want to use it as like an inspiration so that they could also save up and, you know, something like that. By answering this question, I would want to start by, is my car brand new or second hand? So for the information of everybody, my car is not brand new. So I think it was also my fault because I did not mention it in that car reveal if my car is brand new or second hand. If you guys have watched the video, I think you guys would know that I tried to blur out the plate number of the car, and I was thinking you guys will already have an idea that it was a second-hand car because there is already a plate number. Normally it will say for registration if it is a brand new car. So again, I want to reiterate it, my car is a second-hand. It is not brand new. And if there is one thing that I have learned in watching videos in YouTube about money and or buying a car, is that don't buy a brand new car if you are not super rich, like really rich. And I know you guys know that I am not on that level. I am not rich at all. I am not dumb enough to purchase a brand new car when in fact I am also a newbie in driving. Do you know what I mean? A lot of you said that new house, new car, wow, Meljean, you have achieved a lot. Again, this is not brand new, and I am going to share with you guys how did I come up with such money in purchasing this car. And again, for the cost of the car, I did not pay the brand new price. It is obviously secondhand, so I paid half of the price of the car. Okay, I cannot afford a brand new car, obviously. I definitely took it as a compliment that a lot of you guys were saying that it is brand new, and yes, I would have to say that it does look brand new, and I am quite happy with this car that I got. The reason why I paid my car cash is, again, I have shared it on that video where I am not the type of person that would want to have credit. I am not against those people that have credit or like are into credit, and you do you and I do me. Like, you do your own thing. If that's how you sustain your life or daily needs whatsoever, then go for it. But for me, I'm just not a fan of having a credit. Yes, I do have a credit card, but I think it's a different story because when I swipe my credit card, when I try to buy something in a mall, whenever I get home, I would like directly pay it online. So yeah, that's why I decided to pay it cash. I really waited for the longest time to be able to achieve such amount in order for me to have my car. This has started when I landed my first job. If you guys do not know, I worked in a BPO company. I was a call center agent way back in 2014. To be honest, during that time, I still don't know how to manage my money, like my salary. So what I was doing for the first few months of having a salary, I just pretty much give it to my mom and have her manage my money, and she was just like pretty much giving me allowance every day going to work. I felt like I was still a student, but after a few months of working, I realized, I think it's like part of adulting. By the way, I was only 19 at that time, so after a few months I realized that, you know, I should handle my own money, manage it. So I decided to go to the bank and open my own bank account, and from there I stopped giving my mom my salary already, and she was like, what are you doing? And I was like, well, I am an adult already, and you know, I have my wants and needs and my dreams and goals in life in place. And yeah, that's when I started trying to save up for my house and for a car as well. So imagine guys, that was 2014. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It took me 7 years to be able to achieve something like this. It took me 7 years to save up for this car, and it's just so sad that, you know, some people would assume that, oh, meljeansolon, she's not really that hardworking, she was just trying to be pretty in camera. Guys, it's not that easy, okay? A lot of people would assume that, oh, you're a vlogger, it's an easy job, like you just talk to the camera, upload, and that's it. No, it's not like that. You guys don't know the time and effort that we put in to be able to upload one video. Like, try to imagine I'm a one-woman team, but I'm the videographer, I'm the director, I'm the one who put the lighting, I'm the one who conceptualized what should I vlog today, and I'm the one who's going to edit the video, upload a video, think what's going to be the thumbnail, think what's going to be the title. Like, there's a lot of things behind the camera that you actually did not see. I have shared it to you guys that the house build cost me 300,000 pesos or 6,000 US dollars. And yes, I would say that this car is a little bit, okay, not so much, but a little bit more than that. To be honest, since this is my first time owning a car, I don't really have a lot of knowledge about child car seats. And I hope that you guys are not going to be so harsh with me about that. There was actually one person that answered this one about the law of the child car seats in the Philippines. So the law was created, but then it was deferred because of the sudden economic burden of purchasing a car seat that it placed upon everyone in the middle of a pandemic. So yes, I definitely heard the news. I think that was last year, 2020, that the government was trying to impose child car seats, but I think, yeah, it was being postponed because of the current situation right now with the pandemic. So I just want to let you guys know that I am going to purchase a child car seat for Scarlett soon. Guys, just relax. I just got my car and it is pretty overwhelming to know about all these things. I need to have an emergency kit, I need to have a jump starter, cable, a battery, and like a lot, okay? It is very overwhelming for me, especially none of my family knows about cars. Like, my brother-in-law is a mechanic, but he is only mechanic for the motorbike, so he doesn't have any idea of the car as well. There's nothing more than I want the safety of Scarlett, for sure. She is so precious to me, and I know that you guys are just concerned for her and me as well, okay? And I totally get you. Before I decided to purchase this car, I have been trying to do some research about what's going to be the best make of the car to get. Is it going to be Toyota, Ford? Like, there's a lot of cars out there, but I also tried to ask my friends. A lot of them said Toyota is actually good. At the same time, when I was trying to do my driving lesson, when I went to the driving school, the car that I was actually driving is Toyota Vios, exactly the same one as mine. So I was pretty confident driving that, and I just decided to get a small car. So that's why I got this. And I think Toyota has a good reputation of having durable cars, and it will last you long term, and it's also a reliable car. If you have some parts or accessories that is needed to be replaced in your car, then it is easily accessible here in the Philippines. Yeah, that's why I decided to get Toyota. Well, my dream car was actually the Jeep Wrangler and the Ford EcoSport Titanium. So those cars are like really my my dream, and I wanted to get it, but obviously I cannot afford. They are expensive. So yeah, I just decided to get this secondhand car, and as long as it will take me to wherever I wanted to go, then I think it's okay, you know? Maybe when I become super rich, then I wanted to get the Jeep Wrangler because I think it's really cool, and I really would like to have a higher car because this one is pretty low. So I need to like really be careful, especially here in the countryside. Like, the road is not totally cemented, some parts are bad, so I needed to really drive slow so that the tires won't give up on me. I know I have asked you guys in that video what's gonna be the good name for my car since she is red, and so I decided to choose dun, 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 dun. My car's name is Ruby. So this is Ruby. Say hello to Ruby, guys. Hello, Ruby. Please don't give up on me, okay? And let's go on more adventures together. Anyway, so yeah, that concludes my Q&A, guys, about my car. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I have answered some of your questions about my car. If you do have any other questions, please comment it below. Then I'm going to try to answer them. Also, if you guys have any video suggestions for me, please comment it below. I am gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel and help me reach 100k subscribers. And as always, let's all be kind. I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.